First at noon, convicted killer Jeffrey Willis continues to fight his conviction for the murder of Jessica Heeringa. Today, his lawyer is requesting a new trial.
News 8's Heather Walker was in court for the arguments. She's in studio control this afternoon. Heather?
Yeah, Willis is not going away quietly. First his infamous kiss in court, and now he's going through the appeals process, continuing to claim he is innocent. Willis was on trial and found guilty of the kidnapping and killing of Jessica Heeringa, who was working at a Norton Shores gas station at the time of her disappearance. A jury found Willis guilty in June of 2018. Prior to that conviction, Willis was found guilty of murdering Rebecca Bletch while she was jogging in Muskegon County, and he was also charged with an attempted abduction of a teen girl. Now, Willis was not in court today. He is currently serving a life sentence in prison. His appointed lawyer argued on his behalf. The lawyer argued that the character evidence used in the Heeringa case was not appropriate, and information about Willis's personal life, videos on his computer, and the previous crimes were not relevant to this case. Willis's lawyer also argued that the trial should have been held at a different venue where the jury didn't have any preconceived ideas about Willis before that trial.
But you're saying, well, because he murdered her, he must be the person who killed and kidnapped Jessica Heeringa, or she must have been killed because Rebecca Bletch was killed. But that's not fair because the government has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt each of those elements.
Willis and his lawyer are requesting a retrial at a different venue outside of Muskegon County. The State Court of Appeals heard the arguments today. Now they will issue a written opinion in the coming days. We'll keep you posted on that decision. In studio control, Heather Walker, News 8.